Good day, students. Today's lecture in Introduction to Computer Studies is on basic components of the computer system. In our last lecture, we looked at classification of computers. We say computer can be classified in several ways, like based on functionality, based on purpose, based on capability, based on microprocessor, and many ways. We said that under size, we have the supercomputer, the macro and mainframe computers, mini computers, microcomputers that you can use in the house, and you have the portable computers like your laptop and other smaller computers. We have the computer by purpose, like the general purpose computers, and the special purpose computer, like the one that you can use just for scanning as a scanning machine. They are special purpose computers. We have those based on the type of users. We have the one we use like the single user, we have the multi-user, and we have the network computers. Today we are looking at components of the computer. We have two distinct components or parts that constitute the computer system. We have the hardware components and the software components of the computers. The hardware parts of the computer consist on the physical parts that you can easily see when you are looking at the computer system. These components can be grouped into the input part of it, which will have the keyboard, the mouse, the joystick, the light pen, many input devices that you can see in the computer environment. We have the output parts like your video display unit, the monitor. You have your printer. As you are looking at the printer, is the hardware part of the computer. All the parts that you can see as you're looking at your computer is what we mean by the hardware part of the computer. We then have the second component we call the software. Software is the life wire or the brain of the computer. Software are set of programs that make computer to perform work. Software is divided into two parts, the system software and the application software. The system software are those parts of the computer that are, most of them come with the computer that coordinates and control every activity of the computer. It serves as a base that intermediates between the user and the applications. It is a base or a platform whereby the user can be able to access any application in the computer. A typical example of system software is the operating system. Operating system is the program that coordinates all the activities of the computer, intermediating between the applications and the computer devices. It helps to gain access to every application in the computer. There are different functions that the operating system can perform. The operating system can assist the computer to boot. It can help as a resource manager, as file manager, a lot of activities of controlling and coordinating when it comes to instructions of the computer is based on the activity or the platform created by the operating system. Almost all the computers, including your laptop, your phones, your iPad, has operating system installed on them. So in today's lecture, we looked at the two basic components or parts that make up the computer system, the hardware parts and the software. We said the hardware parts are the physical parts that you can see in the computer, including the keyboard, the mouse, the printer, every part of the computer you can see. Then we say that we have the software at the second part of the computer. And we say the software are the programs that make computer to work, the brain of the computer. And we say we have two types of software, the system software and the application software. Whereas the application software helps you to perform one application or one task or the other, the system software starts as a platform or intermediary between you, the user, and the computer with all the applications. Thank you.